Hi everyone, welcome back to Eagles Insider. I'm Caitlin Webb. The holidays are upon us. We caught up with students and staff to learn about their family traditions.
I'm Gustavo Alvarez.
I'm Sophia Facito.
Brenna Loesch.
Wyatt Ellis.
Ian Harbison.
DJ.
So every year for Christmas, me and my family would always go to a relative's house. We would take turns rocking a statue of Jesus when he was a baby, and we would all tell stories of his life.
During New Year's, my mom is kind of superstitious, so she takes coins that she saves over the years and puts them on all the windowsills and doors for good luck throughout the year.
We hide like a pickle ornament on our Christmas tree, and whoever finds it first gets the first present.
Every year we go to Nantucket as kind of a family tradition.
My uncle a few years ago bought like a fake trophy that has like a turkey on it. So he bought like silly hats. Half of them are turkeys, half of them are like cooked turkeys. So depending on what team you're on, you have to wear that silly hat. So every year we play football and the winning team gets to take home the trophy.
Every year for Thanksgiving, everybody comes from like all over the place, like Jamaica, St. Croix, like Florida, far places. All go to North Carolina. We all go to our grandma's house and we all have like a big party to celebrate Thanksgiving.
Next, let's check out the best steps for building a gingerbread house.
Hi everyone, today we're going to give you 6 tips
on how to make the best gingerbread house ever. First tip is to cover the walls and the roof on both sides.
When decorating the roof, use little dollops to make it look more realistic.
Use other candies to give it more variety.
Decorate the base to give it scenery. You can also use little squiggle lines to give it texture.
Next tip is to drip your icing to give it an icicle effect. Make sure to check out the gingerbread competition at the Hunterdon County Library off of Route 12 in Flemington. Happy holidays!
Were you born this month? Here's more on being a Sagittarius.
I'm here with
Miss S. So.
Hi, Giselle. Mary. Melly. Sagittarius are known as positive people. Would you consider yourself positive?
Yeah, I'm a pretty positive person.
Yeah, I consider myself positive.
Yes, in a certain way. Do you consider yourself being positive?
I think so.
People say Sagittarius don't like negative people. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. I think that negativity can bring people down.
I don't like people being negative. I feel like it brings down everybody else around them.
People say that Sagittarius are impatient. Do you consider yourself patient?
It really depends on what I have to be impatient for. For an example, if I was impatient for something I'm really excited, then obviously I would be impatient. But I would say in general, like, nah.
As a student who's a Sagittarius, would you consider yourself impatient?
Yeah.
People say that Sagittarius are non-clingy. Would you consider yourself clingy or not?
Definitely not clingy. I like my alone time and my space.
Do you consider yourself clingy or non-clingy?
I consider myself non-clingy because, like, I need my own space and I don't like really like people like being all up on me, so yeah.
Sometimes I am clingy, sometimes but I cannot be clingy.
Sagittarius. We are adventurous, independent, and optimistic nature. We're also non-clingy and we show love by quality time. Here are 2 negative things about Sagittarius. We can be very patient as students, but as teachers, we are patient. We can get annoyed when someone's being negative.
National Microwave Day was last Friday. Here's more on microwave ovens.
December 6th is National Microwave Oven Day. This day is celebrated to honor their many benefits. Here are some facts about microwave ovens. During World War II in 1945, Percy Spencer made an accidental invention called microwave ovens. He was experimenting with a magnetron vacuum tube. Now, how does the microwave oven heat up food? They convert energy into electromagnetic waves that make food molecules vibrate against each other. It generates heat, then it heats up the food from the outside and it slowly slips into the inside. Microwave ovens are eco-friendly because they don't produce pollution and they use less energy. Microwave ovens are also recyclable and use less water and oil. Normal kitchen microwaves use 3,000 watts, while microwave ovens use 700 to 1,300 watts. They also break down less nutrients than other cooking methods. That's why when you microwave a pizza or other food item, it tastes more differently than it originally did. Thank you and happy Microwave Oven Day.
This week's Career Corner shows how to be an architect.
In the modern world, the built environment significantly impacts our daily lives.
At the forefront of this endeavor are architects, professionals who skillfully navigate the intricate balance between functionality, safety, and aesthetics in their design. Understanding who architects are and the critical role they play is essential in appreciating the spaces we inhabit.
An architect is a trained professional responsible for planning, designing, and supervising the construction of buildings and structures.
Their expertise goes beyond mere aesthetics. Architects ensure their designs are safe and accessible for all users. They skillfully integrate creative vision with technical knowledge to produce structures that meet their occupants' needs and their environment's demands.
The significance of architects go far beyond the physical structures they create. They contribute to creating safety, financial, and sustainable buildings that enhance the quality of life. Architects carefully consider building codes and regulations, ensuring that their designs comply with local laws while reflecting the culture and society for which the structures are intended.
Choosing the right educational institution is paramount for those aspiring to become architects. Several colleges stand out in this field. These colleges include, but are not limited to, Cornell, Pratt, UC Berkeley, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and University of Southern California. These schools not only offer comprehensive architecture programs, but also provide students with an opportunity for hands-on experience, critical thinking, and exposure to innovative design practices.
One of the most crucial aspects of an architect's work is collaboration with other professionals, such as engineers and contractors. This teamwork ensures that the architect's vision is beautiful, structurality sound, and feasible. Successful partnership requires open communication and a coordinated effort to navigate challenges throughout the project lifecycle.
Architects play an indispensable role in shaping our built environment. Their ability to design safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing buildings significantly impacts our society and culture.
Finally, can you name this movie?
Make me like Mike. Y'all ready for this? In the movie Like Mike, 14-year-old hoops-loving Calvin Cambridge has a dream to be a famous basketball player and play against the best competition. But in a game dominated by giants with crazy athletic abilities, Calvin's small body and limited skills make this a wild fantasy. But after he laces up a mysterious pair of old sneakers with faded initials MJ, Calvin makes the leap from playing on the playground to the NBA.
Well, that's all for this week. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice weekend.